So now we are going to see uh, how to make use of the parameters as filters in the report. So I've created a connection. So the connection can be anywhere. So I'm connecting with AdventureWorks DW 2020 and I create a data set. I right click add data set, click on query designer. Let me select the table which I have is fact internet sales. So I got some fields here. Let me select this table, click on OK button. I'm not going to select all of them. Let me just select order number and I select quantity, unit price and the sales amount. So these are the 5 fields that I'm selecting. Click on the OK button. So the table will get created. So I can rename this one as DS orders. So now I want to have the parameter which displays me all these order numbers. So I got this one here. So let me just copy this, and here I'm creating a new data set which will just give me the order numbers. Select distinct order number from fact internet sales and source remains the same, and I give it a name DS sales order number. So this has been created. Now let me create a parameter, add the parameter, and I give it a name P order number, and the data type, I know the order number is text only, so let it be text. Otherwise if it is integer or numeric, change it accordingly. So here in my case it is text only. In the available values I select that I get the values from the query. So DS order number, the label field as well. Label field is what will be displayed and what if the user selects any value. And in the available default values I say that let this be the first one which comes from this query. Let be the default one. Now I change this to sales report, and herein I want to display the order number that has been selected. Okay, now herein I insert the table visualization, and in this table visualization I'm going to select few fields. Let's select from this one orders. I select the order date, quantity, unit price, and add one more row. Insert column to the right, maybe unit price, the sales amount. So we get these values here. Okay, for this one I change the properties so that it appears as a date field in a particular format. Okay, and this is the quantity, unit price. If I want to change it the format I want, I can do this. Maybe it's a number one, to two decimal places, and 1000 separators, and do the same for sales amount as well. Click on OK. Now for the order date etc., we can change, say that it should appear with some colors. Where is that color gone? This is here, sorry. So we want that it should be in this particular color, and all this should be in borders. Okay. Now what I want is this one, for this one the filter to be set. So I can right click here, tablets properties, and in the filter pane I add a new filter. In the expression I select, it is a sales number or the sales order number, and which is going to be equal to, we can see the data type it automatically has detected, it is the text data type. So we can see this, it is nothing but the text data type that we have here, so which is fine. And similarly in the value fields also we can select filter, and from the parameters I can select this parameter. So click on OK button. So whatsoever parameter we select, that will be used for filtering. Click on OK button. Now let me click on the run button. It is probably doing the work. So for it first fetches the first value, and now it is loading the data for me. So we can see this, it has loaded the data. Now let me select any other one and click on view report. And it is doing the work. Thank you.